Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of class. I want to go over and take a look with you at Blackboard, help everybody get started this week. We are on week 3, continuing to talk about diverse learning needs, especially related to reading instruction. You will always have a weekly overview in the weekly folder. You'll see a new folder this week for classroom observation because this is the week that you should be starting your classroom observations. Each of you should have received information about the school that you need to contact for your observations, and someone from the county office has let the school principal know that you will be contacting them. So you should be well on your way to doing that. This folder each week will let you know what the focus of your observation should be. The main thing this week is you getting your teacher interview completed at the school where you've been assigned. The other thing to think about is, since you're doing that teacher interview, it would be a great idea just to go in and observe their classroom for a couple of hours, just to get to know kind of what they do, how reading instruction works in their classroom. You will most likely be observing multiple teachers over the course of this semester, but it's still a good idea just to get your feet wet. You don't have a specific topic to observe for this week. This is just general literacy reading instruction. So these guidelines will always be there for you. The next folder is your readings and practice folder. You do have to finish up your Iris Center training module, and you're doing part 3 this week. And remember, you're going to build on that post-learning activity from part 1 and do your journal this week based on both of those, and that is in the assignments folder. This is a quick paper related to understanding dyslexia. And then also, this is a learning module to help you with understanding dyslexia. And one of the things that I found most interesting in this learning module is an interview with a student or a person that has dyslexia, but they are a graduate student. So it just gives you a good perspective of how, although some children may have more difficulty learning to read, it does not mean that they won't be able to become proficient readers. So I think it's pretty encouraging to see that. Be sure to do that complete module. Your assignments for this week, this is the first classroom observation log that you'll be submitting, and it should be there should be a brief description of what you observed, a 1 to 2 paragraph reflection included with your classroom observation log. You're doing a discussion board related to inclusive literacy, and then your journal, which is the follow-up to the Iris training modules. Your teacher interview is due this week, and then there is a module to check for understanding. And that pretty much wraps up week 3 of class. Please reach out if you do not have information about the school where you're needing to observe. I think I've emailed everyone, but if I've not, please reach out to me ASAP. Also, I will be having an optional virtual meeting for you guys next Monday, and Monday is February the 13th, and that meeting will be from 6:30 to 7:30. Because this is a fully online class, a fully asynchronous class, you're not required to attend, but I think it would be a great place for you to ask questions, and I will be given information that will support you and help you be successful in this class. So please consider attending class next week on Monday, February the 13th, from 6:30 to 7:30, and I will post a link later in the week so that you can access that Zoom meeting. I hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you soon.